All right, folks, welcome back to Procreate. We're going to show you in this lesson how to make a very simple stipple brush. Now, what is stipple brush, you ask? That is a technique in which you just create a lot of dots and you shade using dots. You use it a lot of times in old school tattoo work, and a lot of your old style, newspaper style comics were absolutely based with masters in stipple shading. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. You can bring up any old canvas. The canvas is not going to matter. Because this brush is so easy to make, all you got to do, I'm going to be working in our coarse brushes set, and if you don't have all these brushes yet, by the end of the course, you will. Click on the plus sign, and now we're going to create a new brush. Now, this new brush, let's go ahead and start with shape. I like the shape of a hard side, and I'm not going to put down any grain, and the entire magic in a stipple brush is in this spacing. So you're going to want to space this thing out quite a bit, and then you're going to go ahead and hit done. Now, what did you just create here? Let's go ahead and check it out. You've now created a brush. Double click that, which we can adjust the spacing a little bit more. Let's go ahead and turn up the streamline a little bit. Turn up the jitter a little bit. And let's go ahead and take a look at the dynamics. Adjust the size and hit done. I want to change up the jitter one more time. And let's go ahead and take up the pressure. So we're going to go to properties of the Apple Pencil. All right, and done. That looks pretty good. Yep, that'll work. Now, if you wanted to, you could create another variant on this brush. Let me show you how this works. Swipe over, duplicate, click in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn up the jitter even more. Now we've got a second variant on the brush. This is the beginning of like spray paint, spray patterns, that kind of thing. I personally prefer this to this, but we are going to use this in our elephant. This is going to be a very cool technique that we've got in our elephant, and we're going to be using this brush quite a bit. All right, folks, that's how to make a very simple stipple brush. There's a couple other techniques, but for right now, we're going to call it a day on this. All right, we'll see you in the next one.